Welcome back to Hands-on Equations, Introduction to Verbal Problems. And we are going to continue on with our verbal problems with number 7. This is the Intro to Verbal Problems program from Hands-on Equations. Roberta bought a can of food, a $2 bag of chips, and a $1 bottle of Pepsi. She paid a total of $8 for these 3 items. What was the cost of the can of food? So we know that she bought a can of food, a $2 bag of chips, and a $1 bottle of Pepsi. We do not know how much the can of food costs. We do know the bag of chips cost $2 and the bottle of Pepsi cost $1. She paid a total of $8. We know that total means that we're going to add up to $8. So I'm going to put my 8 cube on the right hand side. On the left side, we're going to look at what we're missing. The last line says, what was the cost of the can of food? So we're going to let pawn be the cost of a can of food. That's what it's asking for. That's what we're going to let pawn be. So if she bought a can of food, A just means 1, so a can of food is a pawn, and the value of that pawn is going to be how much money it costs. She also spent $2 on a bag of chips, so I'm going to put a 2 cube on here, and a $1 bottle of Pepsi, so there's a $1. She paid a total of $8 for these 3 items. 1 item, 2 item, 3 items. What was the cost of the can of food? So we have a pawn plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And that equals 8. I only have pawns on the left side, so I want to leave that pawn where it's at and move the 2 and the 1. Well, I know 2 and 1 together is 3, so I'm going to remove the 3 here, and I'm going to change this to a 5 because I took away 3 from there. So now I have pawn equals 5. So the solution for the setup is pawn equals 5. In sentence format, we don't just say pawn equals 5. We're going to say the cost of a can of food is $5. The cost of a can of food is $5. Then we do our check. We're going to plug 5 in for pawn and make sure that the left side is equal to the right side. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Our original setup had an 8, so 8 equals 8. That is a check. Number 8. Carol purchased a $3 bag of cat food, a bag of dog food, and 2 $1 candy bars. She paid a total of $9. How much was the bag of dog food? So what do we want pawn to be? Well, the question asks us how much was the bag of dog food. Since the bag of dog food is just 1 item, we can let pawn be the cost of a bag of dog food. So we're going to set this up. Let's start here with Carol purchased a $3 bag of cat food, We know the value of that, so we're going to put a 3 cube over here. A bag of dog food. Well, we said a bag of dog food. The cost is a pawn, so we're going to do a bag of dog food on here, which is 1 pawn, and 2 $1 candy bars. She paid a total of $9. So it was a total, so that's going to go on my right hand side. How much was the bag of dog food? Well, I'm going to combine my 3, my 1, and my 1 and make that a 5. So now I can take away my 5 cube, and I can take away 5 from 9, and that gives me 4. So now we have pawn equals 4. So the solution for the setup is 4. But what does that mean? Let's go back to our last question. How much was the bag of dog food? The answer in sentence format is going to be the bag of dog food cost $4. Let's do our check then. We're going to go back to our original problem. We had 3 plus pawn, and 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Our original cube on the right was 9. So 9 equals 9, and that's a check. Okay, for number 9. It rained 2 inches on both Monday and Tuesday, and 1 inch on Wednesday. It also rained on Thursday. The total amount of the rain on these 4 days was 8 inches. How much did it rain on Thursday? So it says it rained 2 inches on both Monday and Tuesday. So how many days did it rain 2 inches? Monday and Tuesday is 2 days. So I'm going to do a 2 for Monday and a 2 for Tuesday. And then it says, and 1 inch on Wednesday. It also rained on Thursday. The total amount of the rain on these 4 days was 8 inches. How much did it rain on Thursday? So we don't know what Thursday is. So let pawn be the amount of rain on Thursday. So we don't know Thursday, so we're adding Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday together to get that total of 8 inches. So I have to add my pawn to the left side. Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday is equal to the total of 8 inches. So how do we solve this? Well, let's take 2 plus 2, which is 4, and 4 plus 1, which is 5, and take that 5 away from both sides. That will cancel out here, and if I take away 5 here, I am left with 3. Now we have pawn equals 3. So the solution for the setup is pawn equals 3. Now what does that mean, that pawn equals 3? Well, we said originally that the pawn was the amount of rain on Thursday. So our answer in sentence format is going to be the amount of rain on Thursday was 3 inches. I just used what pawn was going to be and added in the solution. Now we'll do our check. So let's plug in 3 for each side. We have 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. And we started with an 8 cube on the right, and 8 is equal to 8. That's a check. Thank you for joining me for Hands-on Equations, Intro to Verbal Problems. I look forward to seeing you again.